Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to customize Android notification. So let's get to it. First of all, open your settings application on your Android phone. Then after that, you have to search for a notification setting, and this is the notification setting, so just tap on it. Okay, and we can customize the Android notification right here. You can choose notification pop-up style. You can choose either brief or detailed. And for me, I'm just going to select a brief. And you can also click on this brief pop-up settings to customize it. And you can select the edge lightning style and just click on it, and this is the effect of our notification, and we can customize it. And for example, I'm going to select this one, this fireworks effect. So this firework effects will be added to our notification anytime we get notification. And we can also change the color of the notification, and for example, I'm going to select purple. Okay, and this is the preview. And for the advanced, you just need to click on it, and you can customize the transparency and also the duration, and you can choose it as you like. You can go right or you can go left like this, and you can choose it as you want, guys. And for me, I'm just going to select this medium duration. Okay, and for the transparency, I'm going to increase it. Okay, and after we're done customize our notification, we just need to click on done right here. Okay, and we can go back to our previous menu or previous section. And if you want to block all of notification on your phone, you just need to click on do not disturb right here, and the do not disturb mode will be activated, and you won't get notification, guys, if you activate this option or this feature. Okay guys, and that's how we can customize Android notification. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.